Yes, so my correct people, how are we all doing? Happy weekend to all of us. Happy weekend to all of us. My people, Kasala don burst o. Wahala don dey for everywhere. Calabash carrier and her family, they don dey run up and down as we hear allegedly. My people, they say one ogbonge sickness don hammer her. Say sickness don enter her body. Wetin come bring sickness? Nobody know. Nobody know, but the way we see am be like say na afọwọ́fà. All the things wey she don use her hand cause, na im cause all this sickness for her body. Because I know say this life, there is time for everything. There is time to plant and there is a time to reap. E be like say na all the things wey she be don plant for inside palace, na the reap na she don, na the things wey she plant, na dem don, the crops don grow now. Yes, na she dey harvest right now. Una dey feel me? Because as we hear, they say at the first time when the sickness start, say they carry her reach hospital. And as they carry her reach hospital, they come check. They say they no see anything. All the tests wey una know, they say they don carry out many tests. No one, they no see anything wrong. They say she dey okay, but she no dey okay. Na from there hospital management come tell am say, see you see this sickness wey dey for this woman body, so not be ordinary sickness, na spiritual sickness. So we no dey see wetin dey her body. Make una go do the other one, as in the native treatment, my people. Now from there, na see her family na dem come go waka. As dem waka finish, they say she must do some sacrifice. Now no say I still bring issue of sacrifice yesterday, and they say na Yanifa go do the sacrifice for her. Now know how God come take catch her. They say her family member, na so they run kata go look for Yanifa. They come explain. Yanifa tell her say, my hand, my leg no dey for this matter. I no dey do. Yes, so Yanifa say she no dey do anything that has to do with a calabash carrier. Now people come dey say, why Yanifa go do like that? Yanifa is a mother to all now. She no suppose do like that. Now people went there and come dey say, why they talk this kind thing? Na think say Yanifa na ordinary woman. She be old woman, but she no be ordinary woman. Now they feel me. Moreover, na this same Yanifa when we say calabash carrier push few weeks ago. She no even reason whether this woman na old woman. She just push the woman. Yes. So person when fit push old woman like that means she no get regard for elders. She no get regard for elders. Now this same thing na im at ten tion seeker be do to Baba Alakpe last time. When matter happen for inside palace, when she comot the man cap, put am for ground, use leg match the cap, yeye the cap for ground. When Baba Alakpe wife come match, come say, who give her the right to treat her husband like that? Now they feel me. So for calabash carrier to do this kind thing to that old woman, na not see say respect no dey. And if na me be Yanifa sef, na the same thing I go still do. Because no go fit come rubbish me finish, you go still come meet me for help. This will not be issue of whether person wicked or no wicked. Now they feel me. And I know say as she come from that UK, she dey do like say na she even get palace. She dey do like say nobody reach her for inside the palace. She dey tranga here and there, dey carry shoulder here and there. Today na her market. Her market, my people. This life, we just have to be careful. We just have to be careful. And right now, her family members, as we hear allegedly too now, they still dey talk say, make Queen Naomi come, make Queen Naomi come help her. Which kind help Queen Naomi wan help her, my people? Which kind help Queen Naomi wan help her? Because in the first place, Queen Naomi no find her trouble. Now she go look for Queen Naomi trouble. Now they feel me? Now she go look for Queen Naomi trouble. So she come be say make Queen Naomi come help her. And another thing when they still talk now as we hear, they say she must confess. Say e get things when she don't do, when she need to confess. If she no confess, my people, they say na so that her condition go dey. Na so that her condition go dey. And as we don dey even dey hear now, they say they wan carry the pikin from her, so that the thing no go affect the pikin. Yes, so they say they wan separate the pikin from her, because this kind thing when they do her, so e be like say na that kind thing when they do people when they carry go yaba left, something like that. Now they feel me. So me, I just feel say God of vengeance is fighting for Queen Naomi. Yes, na wetin me I see for there be that. Na the thing when dey happen right now, because all of a sudden the walls of Jericho, they don dey fall down kpata. They don fall down flat yakata right now. All their power don dey powerless. Na dey feel me? So right now, they say na she know wetin she go do, because Iyanifa say she no get anything wey she go do. But to come to think about it, my people, I think say Sisi, shebi she dey call herself say na she be Odunga, she be this, she be that. She say she be queen of wetin now. Na wetin she dey term herself o. She say be the Yeye Omi of Odua. No be wetin she dey claim. And all the calabash when she dey carry up and down, so na just camouflage. Hey, my people! So all this calabash when she dey carry up and down, so no level. She no even know. Hey, my people, things dey happen sha. Things dey really dey happen sha, because right now the way things, as in the way everything come happen all of a sudden, e still dey do me say na e be like say na film. Na this one dem dey call say how are the mighty falling. The day of judgment, the day of reckoning don come. So she just have to face the music. Yes, so that music when she compose, that song when she compose, na the music dey play now. So she just have to dance to it. It is her cross. Nobody will help her to carry the cross. Nobody go help her to carry the cross, because all the things when she don do in the hidden, both the one when she do when people see. Because me, I know say the ones when she do in the hidden, e plenty pass the one when she do korokoro when everybody see. But the bottom line be say, they say make she confess. If she really ready to well, make she confess. And if she confess finish, they go still do things when they go take do cleansing for her. My people, with all this thing now, I just believe say this is the right time for her to leave the palace. Because after all these things, my people, after all these things, if this woman still remain for inside palace, na that time I go really know say orere ofone, na dey feel me. Na that time I go really know say e don finish. E don finish, because after all these things, after all this katakata wey this woman don cause, this woman don really cause things. So e don really cause things. Make we talk true. Now see all these wele-wellas, in fact, na she be the bado among all of them. Una know why? Other wele-wellas when Queen Naomi dey palace, they dey come, but their own they dey do am kurukere hide and seek. But you see this Sisi, her own be say she come out hold her come dey do am. Yes, because even the last Olojo festival when they do, that's the last Olojo festival when they do when Queen Naomi dey palace, we see wetin she do that day now. You see the regalia when she wear, like say na she even come be the queen. She was just trying to get Kabiyesi's attention. She was just trying to steal the show by all means. And Queen Naomi omo jeje when she be, free spirited human being when she be, with good mind. She never know say the kokoro when they chop the efo, when they talk say kokoro to je efo dey follower. You see that insect when they eat spinach, so that they say na under e be, na be this Ashley. She dey close to Queen Naomi. Queen Naomi, you can't tell her say see. She no even know say as she dey tell her, she dey go underground, go do things to worsen the whole situation. To worsen the whole situation. Because if una see this thing true, at times I dey wonder say, but people get mind though. Because as a woman, how you go feel if somebody do this kind of thing to you? Yes, because the way she dey do things now, before this goto helmet come where she dey now, I no sure say she dey think of tomorrow, or I no sure say she dey even dey reason say she get daughter somewhere. Make dem even put her own aside. That her daughter now, if her daughter marry tomorrow, this thing when she do to Queen Naomi, if somebody do am to her daughter, how she go take am? She go fit accept am? Because I no know wetin life don become like this. When we say everybody wan get something in a crooked way, even though say say this thing wey I wan get, road no dey there o, but anything at all wey dem know say dem go fit do, dem go just do am to get that thing. Dem no think about the other person's feelings. How can you build your happiness on another woman's home? Dem dey do that kind thing? E no fit now. Because if you think say you wan do something, you want to be happy, and that other woman now, you say you come put tears for her eyes make she no dey happy, how you go take get happiness? In fact, happiness go dey far away from you. Yes, na so. Na the law of retributive justice be that. Na just the simple way of this world, this life be that. Because you no go fit put tears for another woman eyes, then you go think say you go dey laugh every day. Awa, my people, I'm late sure ye. They no dey see that kind thing. They no dey see that kind thing. No fit work. So all these things wey she dey do right now, my people, na her cup don full. To me, the way I see am, na her cup don full, and make she carry her cross, and make dem leave Queen Naomi out of this matter. Anything wey dey happen to Wele Willas, make dem no dey call Queen Naomi inside. Because when Queen Naomi dey her own jejeje, na dem carry their wahala come enter palace say dem wan marry Kabiyesi. Yes. So it is not easy to come say dem wan marry Kabiyesi, because the home when Queen Naomi don build there, dem no fit come say dem wan build their own on top. E no fit happen. It is not possible. Queen Naomi don build her home. So make dem go their former husband places, make dem go build their own home. Now they feel me. So my correct people, now say I hear the matter. Now I say make I come drop am for now till I come your way again. I love you all. God bless us all. Bye bye.